I want to say big thanks to all of my supporters. I really very appreciate it. Big thanks goes to all my Patreons on my Patreon page, especially Alessio Corradini, great photographer. Please check his channel, link is in video description. Really amazing photos. And can't forget about Bradley Tobias with his hard life story. It's really a pleasure for me to help to such valuable persons. I really love smart people, especially with big sense of humor. Sometimes my little jokes are not understood well, but that's simply me, sorry. Complete list of all my supporters is at the end of this video. A lot of people this year enjoyed my personal individual support on my Patreon, Skype video chats and remote help, or just help in my Facebook or Reddit groups. I'm really glad that those groups are growing too, so people can share their experience, successful builds and help each other too. So if you are still not a member of any of those, please look into this video description. There you can find all links to my groups and channels. And I also can't forget about all the people who supported me directly via PayPal using my link under each video. With all your help, I can continue to create useful tutorials for you. Thank you very much for this. I'm also getting a lot of comments, of course. Mostly very nice comments. Thank you so much for those kind words. But I have to point here something. People, please, when I create, for example, some Hackintosh tutorial, believe me, I tested all that stuff I showed a lot of times, verified its functionality on different builds, and then showed you everything step by step live on screen. I don't hide anything like others do. They will create a tutorial, but for example, one thing is missing. So you are just excited you can have your build working, but you cannot simply finish it without their further help. All my tutorials are full complete solutions. I say that because some of the comments I'm getting periodically, some of them each day are complaining about the same things again and again. People, please take some time and read video descriptions and read comments under each video. Your question is probably answered dozens of times. Don't waste my time to answering you every day the same. Also, please read better. For example, my video about Olarilla Hackintosh installation points to download links on the Olarilla forum, and tons of people every day complain in the style links are removed, not working, downloads are deleted, so bad tutorial and so on. On that page they see sentence links removed for guests and they immediately start to complain, but please think about it. What does that mean, links are removed for guests? That means you are viewing the page as a guest. So to be able to see the current links, you need to register on that forum and log in. That's all. It's really not so difficult to understand that. You just need to take a second of your life and think about it, rather than spend a minute or two by complaining under my video and bring my tutorial into bad light, just because you are not able to read better or think of it. Instead of answering to all of those comments every day, I could create few more tutorials for you. Another nice example is linked under my vanilla tutorial, pointing to a page where you can download the sample config file. In time of shooting my video, the page looked exactly as shown in the video, but owners of the site since that time slightly changed the layout of the page, but nothing removed. But the result of this is I'm getting tons of complaints about the raw data section is not there anymore, it is removed, it is deleted, and so on. It is simply not true. They just moved the raw download button to slightly other position on that page. Again, that's all, just look and think. So I just want to ask all your people watching my tutorials, please watch better, read better, think about it more times, simply watch carefully and do exactly what I do. Everything in my tutorials has its right order. When you miss one step, it will simply not work. In my videos there is no wasted time, everything is directly to the point. This will make your life easier as well as mine. So, if you want to be a part of this Morgonauts community, to get some help, just join any of my groups or become a Patreon, so I will be able to create more useful tutorials for you and also get exclusive access to my hidden support posts and downloads. Also, please share my videos anywhere you can. If you like my videos, so please click that like button below. We can grow together and help each other. This year was great, the next year will be even better. We will see after 6 years the new Mac Pro, thanks God, more to than Apple. So it will be for a lot of people with some current Hackintosh build a game changer, I believe. If it's gonna be really fully customizable workstation, I will definitely buy one, believe me. I plan for the upcoming New Year periodical Ask Me Anything live streams, so prepare all your questions. I'm getting ready also videos about original Macintoshes because I simply love them. I will also start my second YouTube channel related to Macintosh, new Macs, macOS tutorials, video, audio, photo stuff and a lot more. Let's fulfill our plans and bring dreams to reality. So, again, big thanks to all of my supporters. I wish you all good health, lot of love, and hopefully see you on some of my Skype video support chats, remote help sessions, or let's just simply meet by one of my next videos. Thank you very much. Take care.